What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? How are y'all doing today? Thank you so much for returning to my channel. I hope that you guys are enjoying this Valentine's Day series of love. I guess I'm gonna call it a series of love. I should have named it the first day, but whatever. Skipping forward. If you 21 and up, go and put up your cup and sip up with your girl. Alright, so as you guys see, I started off with just one brow. Let me know if you guys are liking these one eye tutorials or if you want me to do like a full face. I don't really like doing full faces because it's just a waste of makeup. I'm not going anywhere. I mean, you get the idea with one eye. So let me know if y'all like it, if y'all don't like it, if y'all want to see something like, okay, do both eyes the same or just do both eyes as have in the video. I mean, just let me know. But without further ado, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you comment. Tomorrow, I'm doing my last video, and it will be the last video for the giveaway. I will be giving away the Flawless Bead Cosmetics. I'll be buying it with my own money. So if you enter the giveaway, you'll be getting some lip pencils, some lip glosses, some lipsticks from her line. She did send me some amazing lipsticks. So guys, go check out my first video from Monday and you'll see all those products. And you'll be able to also check her out in the link below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. I went and I bought assorted gemstones. Y'all see that? I went and I bought assorted gemstones from Walmart. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place these jokers, grab my mirror, and I'm gonna place them on my eye. Now if they don't stay, I'm gonna have to glue them down and then take them off, but I feel like they should stay. So I'm gonna place them on my eye. So as you know, I have a hooded, you know, you see my lid. I have a lot of canvas right here, but I don't have a lot of canvas right there. So gotta go ahead and try to place it in a spot where it won't really be affected. All right, so that's the first one. And I'm just gonna place the other ones on my eye, and yeah. I was gonna try to place one there, but I think I'm gonna stick with those 4. So yeah, as you can see, and they're sticking up there because I have primer and I have, what is it called, concealer on my eye as my base. I am utilizing the Shiny Cosmetics 7-layer palette. On the Shiny Cosmetics, you spend like $100 or less, and you get like a full set of like, you get a lipstick palette, you get like 4 or 5 different colors of the, what is it called, of eyeshadows, like ranging from yellows, pinks, blues, purples, greens, oranges, all reds, all that, the whole rainbow. And you also get like a highlighter, contour palette, as well as the powder highlight and contour, and it's the bomb. So check them out. I'll leave the description below. I bought this like, what is it, 2020? I bought this probably like 8-9 years ago, and I still use it. It's probably expired makeup, but I mean, whatever, I still use it. So I haven't really decided what I want to do, but I know I want to utilize red for this look, red and white. So I'm debating about glitter, debating about whatever, like I'm just figuring it out as we go. So I'm going to take a very, very light pink. I'm gonna have to use a smaller brush because you see how much canvas I have. I don't have much. So I want to make sure that this look comes out right. And I'm going to use a smaller flat brush like this one and dip it into this light pink and do my best to blend this as best as possible. So I hope y'all can see the colors as they're coming out. Okay, so I took that very, very light pink. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Let me dim the lights. Well, I hope y'all can see it, but I did go in with a very, very light pink, that light pink, and I placed it all up and through here. Being sure to bring, because I'm gonna wing this out. So being sure to bring it all the way out. And now I'm gonna take the MAC 224 brush and I'm just going to blend that even more and just fluff it out. Now I'm gonna go in with a reddish, well not reddish, a red color. And I'm gonna really define that crease all through the hearts. I'm gonna be going on top of them and everything, and then I'll probably end up going back with the pink. So that's what you'll be seeing me doing in the next couple seconds of the video, and I won't be talking through it. Few taps in there for the red and just go back in and just make sure that in between them, if they have any space, and making sure that the hearts, like the area where the heart is, that it is defined clearly. Okay, so yeah, that looks pretty good to me. I don't know about you guys, but that looks pretty good to me. So I've debated this 1,000 times. I don't know if I want to use the face paint or if I want to use eyeliner to outline the top of the hearts, but I think I'm going to end up using face paint. So now I'm just taking this white face paint and I'm going to outline each heart. So I'm going to just go in. That came out. Now I'm gonna see how this one came out. So y'all see that mess right there? So I'm going to clean that up and I'll be back. Okay, whew, I was able to go back in and fix it, as you see, because I was trying to do too much. Whew, alrighty. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pretty much cut the crease like right under the hearts. So as you see, I put them like in the spot where they look kind of bunched, but they won't like really be affected by me cutting the crease. Ooh, I'm so hot. I'm gonna have to take Panda off because it's hot in here. What I'm gonna do for this portion of my eye, I'm just gonna pack on a pink, like that same pink that I used to, what is it called? Pretty much blend out that red right there. I'm gonna use it for my lid. All right, so I'm liking how that's looking. How that came out. I'm going to take this little brush here and take that same red color that I had from earlier, that I have on my lid, and I'm going to blend out this bottom portion. I'm going to take that hot pink as well and do the same thing. White eyeliner. It's like a metal white, and I can't really put the line right there, obviously, because you see how my eye's folding. I can't even really put anything on the hearts. So let's try this. really couldn't find another white liner nowhere else. And I've been looking. I've really been looking. But anyways, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna wing it out. I want to put some of the pink glitter that I used in yesterday's look on. I'm just not sure. Like, I feel like I've been making all the right decisions so far. I might just do it because I'm trying to think, like, you know how you like close your eyes and you envision in your head, okay, what this makeup gonna look like? And then you envision it and you're like, oh, okay. And that's kind of what I'm doing here, but I'm like, should I leave well enough alone or should I just go to extra still? I think I'm gonna go to extra still. That's five. Now I'm about to obviously clean all that up and clean up around here. And then I'm gonna, after I clean it up, I'm gonna come back with the full look.